It's true. DJI has removed their geofencing. I am about a mile from the airport, and every time I would go to want to fly, just do a test flight 20, 30 feet in the air, I'd have to get permission either off the DJI's website. You'd have to log in and give them your mission plan and your 107 credentials in order to fly. And it has now been removed. It does say enhanced warning zone, but you no longer got to get stuff texted to you or go get permission to fly. You can just go fly your drone. I don't think this is a good thing now, because before, people would go to Best Buy, buy a drone, go fly it. They couldn't fly close to an airport. Now anyone can go fly their drone anywhere, and guess what? We're going to start having planes hit by them. I'm fixing to go out and test it and see if they've removed the 400-foot limit from it, because you know what this is. This is a big FU to the United States government, because the United States government just tried to ban DJI drones in the United States. So DJI, that was trying to control their drones and keep them out of restricted areas, has now removed all of their geofencing, and now you can fly anywhere.